Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki kubor bam tagasngi. U MLA batmai ke UDP na soyong constituency uba senshalang ku paroi lingdo thaba ublayo ra ya ga jingjob da ga plim lindang ya uba samnen malnyang MLA NPP barim dalai hajar sauspa arpu arvun. Ka jingjob jong uba senshalang ku paroi lingdo thaba ka deban lapi ne pinbhano ya ke ega blasha kenno kentho hakibun ki balang ha ka bia de ba kam election ha soyong constituency. Ka jingjob jong upersakur jong uba HDR lingdo kalong ka burom ya utayu MLA barim ka soyong shu ka deiru ka vote sngewlem ya umahe don na kaliang uba sensyar thaba kum u MLA thamai unjit bet ya ka linti ka badai banyad ya ka ba lalam linti da umama jong u yathu utayu MLA bathamai ha ga jingyo vote ne ka sngi u kartong ka UDP uba sensyar ku paroi thaba ula job ya ka election dalai hajar sauspa arpu ar vote uba sensyar ula yo khat ndriu hajar ndriu spa nyop khandai vote kat ba u kartong ka NPP ba samling manyang uba wan ba ar uba layo khatlai hajar arspa san pnyo vote Ukertong bawan balai udai jungka Kongres ba S. Osborne Kharjana ublayo Shi hajar nyospa ndrupu arvun hadu laipu ar hajar shispa ndrupu wengut kinong thepvun kila thep yakavut jongki haka shipotrik jimmang kabakot hadu khandai puwei point prapnyo person ya ke election haso yong lapin kendria hadin ke jingklat kunsan jung menteri kampo yeng barim berkertong ke UDP ba HDR lingdo ha ka arpho terik urimpang dagani ke jingjom ke jingdon MLA jong ke UDP hapo ke yeng darbar bandru phongut ki khon kala kon ya ka khat arngon
of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Election to the Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya adjourned EC from 23 Soyong ST Assembly Constituency in pursuance of the provisions contained in Section 66 of the Representation of the People Act 1951, read with Rule 64 of the Conduct of Election Rules 1961, I declare that Sunshar Kupar Roy Lingo Thaba, Mount of the Lake Soyong, East Kasville District, Meghalaya, sponsored by United Democratic Party, has been duly elected to fill the seat of that house from the above constituency.
Kailang siniru.
Narun daun sumarun yalam nanti yang aman pek ya ka constituency ni bro we kum juru ya ka stiri.
So what will be your priorities?
Baki expect baki job hado rahijar kam yo former MLA.
I think it is the love and faith of the people bala lai ba kacamangan let pajba hi kilawan hi daga mensim daga jingit. Ya niru ka diga strong message ba hapo soyong mo juwan daga bot isa. Tiet yu pajba daga jingit.
What will be your priorities? What will be your priorities?
Your priorities along ba I just don't want to be a legislator. I want to be a lawmaker who's going to speak in the assembly. So, kini other subjects like ILP, the roster recruitment system, the UCC, which is like main campaign subject to me for the campaign.
So what do you think about this demand for the review of the reservation policy?
Let's see, let's wait. I have no other comments. Then let's wait. Let's see tomorrow onwards. Obviously, nama benda imahel atribun. Kikam kimati jong igi babun. Apa saya konsensi. I am a continuation of his work. Kumala juangi. So nganle kat mangana mandor penting bahabri susu ya saya konsensi.
What made you
repair the damage that has been done?
Yeah, obviously. It's been a drought in the last 5 years. I think from today onwards, I think starts a new era in Soyong constituency.
So what made the difference? Because NPP had all the machinery with them. So what made the difference?
Like I've said, like come to Soyong constituency, this is a clear message. Do not come and buy people with money, come with love.
Kaburam kalet saki pajba jongka Soyong konstituensi but kamtam ya kimati kiba I pa SDR ila tre hakipor bidang long kum MLA but kumbangalaong ba pilai ba haka general election ru ka jingmut jing perkhat jong kipai ba hi kalong bakin penjob i tenrei nakadaw jong kajing klat no kajong I kalawan kanika by election tenrei ngi sungu baki pai ba kidang scam bet nadu katu kapor kaba kiladon ni kajingmut ban kesyan ni ba SDR tenrei hadu mentaru kidang penek ya kata kajing sungu kajong ki ya kabakin jit ya iba sensar ibolong persatra jong iba SDR